to leaving, he will turn to me and start to cry. And he promises the earth to me, and I believe him. After all this time, I don't know why. Ah, girl, she's the kind of girl who puts you down when friends are there. You feel a fool when you say she's looking good. She acts as if it's understood. She's cool, girl. Was she told when she was young that pain would lead to pleasure? Did she understand it when they said that a man must break his back to earn a state of leisure? Will she still believe it when he's dead? Ah, girl, my feelings just can't describe the way in which I fell into your heart. Was never what I once knew. Lately my skull is scared. Dividing lines deep set and made. Two parts to one, the view to depart and sever decides to pursue. But my soul chose to cause the tide to enforce divine. Soul devotion is morphed in time. I'll score the mind to solve my crimes. Reach slow motion to combine.
See here I trace my steps to where my sins have been left and right. I turn my sins to much. They're slowly seeping straight through the crust. Now let this stay so come sit down to where my head had once sunk and down. Just to wait for a while to see my body has merged to the deep blue sea. But my soul falls and the thoughtless minds distorted lines. The soul's broken down for the lies to cause the tide to enforce the line. The soul in ocean has morphed in time.
I'll stole
The mind to sell my crimes.
reach slow motion
To cross the line. life. The cold spoken, all the life.
Been dazed and confused for so long, it's not true. Wanted a woman, never bargained for you. Lots of people talking, few of them know. The soul of a woman was created below. Yeah. kender I det, når man... Ej, jeg skulle få fuld til at sige noget. Ja, det er jo det kan, ikke? Det er jo det, der er så magisk ved den her væske. Den her satans væske. Den dømmer dig ikke. Den forklarer dig ikke, hvordan du skal gå ud og ændre dit liv. Den siger ikke noget til. Hvor kom jeg fra? Jo, altså, det er jo ikke en ven, vel? Eller, det er det jo så alligevel. Ja, det er en ven af mig. Ej, for helvede. Der er jo en grund til, at man drikker så meget af det her pis. Så glemmer man alt om, hvem man endte sammen med den aften. Ej, jeg gider slet ikke at tale om det, altså. Det er den største bunke lorte kliché, man kan lande i. Prøv lige at... Hey! Prøv lige at lytte her engang, okay? Er I ikke også bare mega trætte af alt det der kærlighed? Altså, jeg mener, sådan som jeg ser det, er det i hvert fald... Eller der er det i hvert fald... Det er noget pis, okay? Jeg mener... Øl... Ja, det er sgu dejligt med den her livets væske. Jeg kender ikke nogen, der kan leve uden. Og dem, der siger, de kan, de lever. Fuck, mænd! Alkohol. Ja, det forgifter dig sgu. Gud gør det ej. Det gør den slamper til Amor. Amor og hans lorte pile. Og hans lorte dates. Og hans lorte romantiske komedier. Forstår I det? Jeg kan jo ikke bruge det til noget. Jeg er ikke ked af det længere. Jeg har dig, Benny. Og jeg har ham her. Jeg er over det.
Don't you love her ways? Tell me what you say. Don't you love her madly? Wanna be a daddy? Don't you love her face? Don't you love her ass? She's walking out the door like she did 1,000 times before. Don't you love her ways? Tell me what you say. Don't you love her as she's walking out the door? All your love, all your love, all your love, all your love, all your love is gone. She's singing on this song of a deep blue dream. 7 horses seem to be on the mark. Yeah, don't you love her? Don't you love her as she's walking out the door? madly? Don't you love her madly? Well, don't you love her madly?
So much more to say. You've got to see what's happening. You're throwing it all away. You're just completely blind. Please don't change your mind. You got what you needed. All more to see it. You needed one more. Yeah, see it. Needed one more. You satisfied, looking for something that'll make you higher sad, 'cause it's on your mind. I'm tired of hearing you say that you gotta get something new again, 'cause it's on your mind. Please stop this crazy madness, there's so much more to say. Please start to see what's happening, you're throwing it all away. You're just completely blind. Please stop this, change your mind. You got what you needed. One more you take to see it. You needed one more, yeah. See it. You needed one more. You got what you needed. I don't feel alright. Don't feel alright. In spite of these comforting sounds you make. I don't feel alright because you make promises that you break.
Oh, mother, I can feel the salt falling over my head, and as I climb into an empty bed, oh well, enough said. And I know it's over, still like me, and I don't know where else it can go. Over and over and over and over and over and over. Oh, mother, I can feel the salt falling over my head. The sea wants to take me, and the knife wants to slit me. Do you think you can help me? Sad, well, bride, please be happy. Handsome groom, give a room. Loud his lover, treat her kindly, though she needs you more than she loves you. And I know it's over, still like me, and I don't know where else it can go. Over and over and over and over and over. Never really began, but in my heart it felt so real. And she spoke to me and said,
if you're so funny, then why on your own tonight? And if you're so clever, then why on your own tonight? And if you're so very entertaining, then why on your own tonight? And if you're so very good looking, then why do you sleep alone tonight? 'Cause tonight's just like any other night. That's why you're alone tonight.
with your triumphs and your charms, while their charms sounds. It's so easy to love, it's so easy to hate. It takes strength to be gentle and kind. Over and over and over and over and over and over and over. It's so easy to love, it's so easy to hate. It takes guts to be gentle and kind. Over and over. Love is natural, real. But not for you, my love. Not tonight, my love. Love is natural, real. But not for such as you and I, my love. Oh, mother, I can feel
damp night. Gave myself in that misty light. Was hypnotized by a strange delight. Under a lilac tree, I made wine from the lilac tree. Put my heart in its recipe. Makes me see what I want to see and be who I want to be. When I think more than I wanna think and do things I never should do, I drink much more than I ought to drink because it brings me back you. Like wine, sweet and heady, like my love. Like wine, I feel unsteady, like my love. Listen to me, I cannot see clearly. Is not she coming to me nearly? Like wine, sweet and heady. Where's my love? Like wine, I feel unsteady. Where's my love? Listen to me. Why is everything so hazy? Is not she, or am I just going crazy, dear?
Echo stars are crossing you. Light is shit, not a breath too soon. Special movements which seem to you resonate in your mask of hue. Hollow talking, a hollow gale falls up from the root of pain. Never said it was good, never said it was near. Shadow rises when you are here. And then you caught it. You cut it off. And everything goes back to the beginning. Silence seizes a clouded room. Light is shed, not a breath too soon. Darkness rises and all you do is tighten your jaw and across the room. Special movements are butterflies. Shadows scatter without a fire. There's never been bad, there's always been truth. Darkness rises, the things you know. And then you cut. You cut it off. And everything goes back to the beginning.
Har der mulighed for at hive en mus op?